You got a big scooter. Man, that thing's bigger than you are, Trent.
Put it over by the other toys.
Put it by the other toys, Trent.
There you go.
What is that toy by your foot, Trent? Right there. You guys are getting everything mixed up.
You wouldn't let it fall out.
What it says?
It says, to Trenton from Santa.
Me, Annie. That's the whole crew.
Motorcycle. Thank you, Grandpa and Shaw, for this other present, and that's a lot of presents.
It is a lot of presents, huh? Whoa, who is that, Trent?
He has like the
Iron
perfect setup, and
Man.
then he's like in front
Whoa,
of his face.
and what is he on?
Motorcycle.
Yeah?
Zuzu